Here's a fun and simple science experiment you can do at home. Create a mini volcano eruption using baking soda and vinegar. First, shape a small mound of clay or use a plastic bottle to form your volcano. Place it in a tray to catch any overflow. Fill the volcano with about a tablespoon of baking soda. In a separate cup, mix a few drops of food coloring with half a cup of vinegar. When you're ready for the eruption, pour the vinegar mixture into the volcano. Watch as the chemical reaction between the baking soda and vinegar creates an exciting fizzy eruption, mimicking a real volcanic explosion. This is a great way to learn about chemical reactions while having fun.